of how they're made out. Were there any noticeable differences in the anatomy of the physical between the men and women that went to space when they came back? Was there anything that was like noticeably different in terms of the women?
Physiology,
Yeah.
we all lose muscle mass, we all lose bone up in space. I think the women lose a little more muscle mass. The percentage is a little higher for them than the men, but just a small 2% difference there. So I'm not sure they've seen anything like that. There's one difference where some of the astronauts are coming back from the space station with little changed vision. Some of them have what we call macular degeneration. There's a few blind spots in their field of vision. That's permanent. And they've only seen that in the male astronauts so far. It hasn't been in the female astronauts. They have a small number of people that they've experienced this with, so the data is really not so good. But currently, I hadn't heard of any women experiencing that. But basically, we all get exposed to radiation. We lose our muscle strength, we lose our bone strength, pretty much at the same rate. A little more muscle loss with the women, but pretty much the same.
Okay, question right here.
Hi, Don. What is the criteria to become an astronaut? What's the selection process?
Okay, we got two types of astronauts. We've got our military pilots, and typically these are folks from our